Tired of scrolling forever to find that one photo in Discord chat? The one your friend sent 3 days ago, buried under 1,000 messages. You know the feeling. You're just trying to find that meme or that screenshot, and instead, you're on an archaeological dig through your chat history. Well, there's a simple search trick that shows you every single image instantly. No more endless scrolling. I'll show you the exact search filter to use, plus how to narrow it down by user, by channel, or even by date. Let's dive in. First, let's open up Discord and navigate to the chat or server you want to search. It can be a direct message, a group chat, or a server channel. Doesn't matter. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. See that search bar? That's your new best friend. Click on it. In that search bar, type the following exactly as you see it. has:"image. That's HAS:"image. As you type, Discord will show a drop-down menu. You can click on the has:"image suggestion if it pops up. Then, just press enter. And just like that, Discord shows you every single image that has ever been shared in that chat. It's a complete gallery of every photo, every screenshot, every meme. No more scrolling. But here's where it gets really powerful. You can stack these filters to get incredibly specific. This is where the real time saving happens. Let's say you want to find images from a specific person. After pressing enter, you can click on their name in the search results, or you can type from:"username has:"image right in the search bar. So, for example, if your friend's name is Alex, you would type from Alex has:"image. Now you're only seeing images that Alex has posted. Perfect for finding that one thing they sent. Now, what if you want to narrow it by channel? If you're in a server with 50 channels, you can filter by channel by typing in channel name has:"image. So if the channel is called Funny Stuff, you would type in Funny Stuff has:"image. Now you're only seeing images from that specific channel. You can also filter by date. To find images posted before a certain date, add before YYYY-MM-DD. So if you wanted images from before the 1st of January, you would type before:2025-01-01 has:"image. And to find images after a certain date, use after:YYYY-MM-DD. So to recap, has:"image is your core filter. It's the foundation of everything. And by stacking filters, you can find exactly what you need in seconds. If you're getting no results, first check your filter syntax. Make sure you have the colons in the right places. And make sure you actually pressed enter. It's an easy thing to forget. My final tip is to bookmark this technique. Seriously, once you start using these filters, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. You'll go from wasting minutes scrolling to finding images in seconds. That's really all there is to it. So next time you're hunting for a photo in Discord, skip the scroll. Use the search bar, use has:"image, and stack those filters. You'll be amazed at how fast you find exactly what you're looking for. Happy searching!